Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today I just wanted to take a quick second to break down the 25,000 pip US30 trade that I recently took. So first I want to just start off here on the 5 minute and show you guys where I got the trade idea. We were trading pretty close to all-time highs. At this point I believe these were all-time highs. And then once we came through and retested after breaking the institutional, look how we came right back and retested exactly what I teach. And then we come up to the level again. So I know that with this being a half level, we can see this either get stop punted because they just missed it. We can see it either get just missed or stop punted. And they just missed it already, so we're looking for the stop punt next. I'm going to start down here on the 5 minute, again, like I said, just to kind of show you guys the price action and everything that I was seeing initially on the trade idea. So we'll go ahead and get it started, and let's take a look at what they do right at the 36.5. Look at all that price action that we get right there, right? That was beautiful. So my entry was right here. Entry was 36.485. That was my entry. So from this point on, once I saw that we had kind of broken under and retested, we retested early, right? We broke and we retested. So we got that done immediately. We got that right out of the way. So I didn't really need to sit and wait on or be afraid for a price to kind of come back up to this level. Not saying that it couldn't have, and if you guys watch the video of the trader review that I did when I first took this trade, I'm still not a bear on the stock market. I'm simply going with the structure of the market and, the price action that they're giving me at my points of interest. Now, I had a ton of other confluences in this area to take this trade. If you guys want to know about them, I teach about them in my academy. So go ahead and tune in there and we can get started on that type of work. But for now, let me go ahead and get back to playing this. I'm going to move the time frame up just a little bit so we're not sitting here, watching paint dry. But just check out how the price really just attacks every institutional level and retest. So let's take a look. Boom, right? We get right to that level. See that? See how we hit that level twice? Right? And then what do? We break through, we come and smack the next level. But we haven't retested here yet. So what's going to happen next? Okay. We're here. Right? So now my question is, okay, we got the pullback that we wanted. They went and honestly broke two levels without retesting anything. But we still know when we get the break, we're looking for the retest. So we get that. I'm going to just adjust this a little. Boom. Now let's keep moving. They pull back right to the level. Let's see if they can take out these lows. Boom. We get the lows, right? Everybody see how easy that is? So now, what are we going to be looking for next? The break, the retest, and we're looking for the next low. Let's check it out. Break, retest, next low. Give two taps, boom, they come down and they're about to make it to this low here. Boom, they made it. After breaking this one, we come up and we get another retest of the level. This wasn't very clean in my opinion, but they still came right to the price point. They just, in my opinion, this would be like an example of them stop hunting a level. And so now that we've, broken down, let's just keep watching 30 work these levels beautifully. I'm not going to keep stopping it and pausing it, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys, like, these levels are serious. They work. So let's just keep watching. And I held this trade I held it from November 8th until about, I still have a little bit of partials running, but I took most of my partials down at 34,000, which is what I was aiming for. So still holding the trade, but I held most of the weight through the actual price point of 34K. So come and hit the level again, and then we break down, we break a few levels. Boom, taking off. And that right there was really where I scaled out. Because in my group, I called it in my Discord, in my Silent Sniper Discord for the YouTube, called this price out in both of those chats. 34,000. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Price goes 34K, 34K smacked. Looking for 34.2, looking for that. And again, this was some time before we even got there. So I've been calling these plays out from months, right? This is back when we hit 35K. So if you're not in this group chat and you're subscribed to the channel, make sure that you hop in here, because I literally give you guys free game about the trades that I'm in, how I got into them, and just kind of what I'm looking at. But yeah, guys, these levels are for real. If you guys are not using these institutional levels, the quarters, the halves, and the bigs on US30, you're playing yourself. I promise you are. So make sure you check these out. Again, I just wanted to go over, let's move it out to the higher time frame now. I really just wanted to go over this trade because this is today, not today, but to this day, this is the best trade that I've ever taken. Not just because it went the most pips, but it was extremely fundamentally sound and sound when it comes to my technical analysis. So I think the best part of this trade for myself, though, was being psychologically able to handle these pullbacks. Because it's easy when price is going your direction. But then once you start to see your profit move away, then you start to get a little bit scared and they're reapproaching your entry. But I was able to use these institutional levels to just allow me to keep holding. Every time they smack a new one, they come back and retest an old one. Smack a new one, come back and retest the old. And we got straight down to that 34K. That was beautiful. So if you guys have any more questions on this trade, feel free to throw it in the comments. Make sure you guys are liking these videos. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. If you guys want to actually learn and be able to do this type of thing for yourself, guys, this is 25,000 pips in one play. I don't know very many people that are swing trading US30, let alone really taking away, big pips from US30. So it's real. It's right in front of your face. I'm literally showing you guys how to make magic happen on these charts without having to do any magic. So hopefully you guys are finding value in it, and I'll leave my socials and my email down in the description so that you guys can get in contact. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the money.
We winning. Please don't hate. Yeah.